In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom money amounts to your Steam wallet. If you've ever wanted to top up your Steam wallet with a very specific amount, it's important to understand how Steam handles wallet funding so you know what's possible before you start. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go, how to add funds, and what limitation you need to be aware of when it comes to custom amounts. To begin, open Steam and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top area of the app or website and click your account name. This opens a menu with several account-related options. From there, select Account Details. This is the section where Steam lets you manage your wallet, payment methods, purchase history, and other account settings. After you're inside Account Details, look for the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Click that to move to the wallet funding page. This page is specifically designed for adding money to your Steam balance, so you can use it later for games, downloadable content, in-game items, or other purchases available through Steam. Once you're on the Add Funds page, you'll see a list of available preset amounts. Choose one of the amounts shown on the screen that best matches what you want to add. After selecting it, continue through the checkout process and complete your payment using your preferred payment method. Make sure to review the total before confirming, especially if taxes or regional pricing adjustments apply in your area. When the transaction is successful, the funds should be added to your Steam wallet balance. Now, here's the key part if you're specifically trying to add a custom amount. Steam does not generally provide a built-in custom amount field on the Add Funds page in most regions. In other words, you usually can't type in any number you want. Instead, Steam officially supports only the preset funding amounts shown on that page. So if you were hoping to add an exact custom value, that option is typically not available directly through the normal Steam wallet funding process. The best approach is to choose the preset amount that's closest to what you need and proceed with that option. Before making your purchase, it's always a good idea to double check the available amounts shown in your region, since they can vary depending on your country or payment settings. And that's how to add money to your Steam wallet, along with the important limitation around custom amounts.